Welcome back to the channel. Today we are replacing a regular watch band with a NATO style strap. Now you can buy these things on Amazon. You know, here's a 4-pack. I think we paid like, I don't know, 10 bucks, 15 bucks for it. I have my other watches. This one is actually for someone else. They requested it to be changed. I have my other watches, the watches that are mine, my Casio Duro Marlin dive watch here on a NATO band. I did a video about that. Got my Seiko 5 on an art style or some other company, I don't remember. NATO watch band. Anyway, we're gonna walk you through the process of changing these today. So we're just gonna get into these here. We want the black one. Let's see if we can get it out. Now, these are watch bands, especially this style, are really super cool. A lot of times, if you get the right ones, they'll send you this little tool to help you change the watch band out, remove the spring pin. Sorry for the creaking on the floor. But this is great. I actually have a better one that came with this watch band. Most of the time, these things come with them. It's kind of a kit, so that's just something to keep your eye out for. And get the watch band out here. Come in these long plastic bags. Alright, there we go. And then we have our watch band. Now, when they first come, they'll be a little bit stiff. That'll wear in over time. It comes with a little separation here. What you want to do is you want to put your watch on this top part. Then you want to weave this through here like so. So it becomes like that. So basically what you want to do is find your spring pin and just like move it back with the edge of the tool. Now I'll try and show you a close-up of this once I get it here, but generally there is one side that's a little bit narrower and then you can just pop it. I'm just gonna have to take some time here and find this. There we go. Got it right there. So we've got the spring pin out and that removes your old band. So basically this little groove right there, or if you turn it over, sometimes it's on the other side, there's grooves right there. Sometimes you can just pop them with your fingernail, but it's helpful to have that little tool. So basically what you do, oops, sorry, we're out of frame right there. So you get your little tool and you go in the groove right there, you pull it back and it springs in and then you can remove it. Now one thing you do want to make sure of when you're removing these is that they don't go springing across the room. I have had that happen. Sometimes in these packets they'll include extra spring pins. Just depends on which one you order. Just make sure you don't lose track of these. So now it's time to reinstall the spring pins. This is a crucial part. Sorry if that was loud. It's rolling. This is a crucial part to how this works. What we have here is my other watch. You can see the spring pins are back in and it's woven in. That's what you want to have. Now there's several different ways to weave these. I just used the basic method that comes in all of the packages and it's pretty much the most common method. Now what you want to be very careful of, especially at this point, is that you don't lose the spring pins like I've previously mentioned. This is the part where they will get away from you. So what you want to do is you want to put one end in the hole and then you want to set it like on top of the watch. It's kind of hard to do this on camera, so I apologize, but you want to kind of get it back and spring loaded and then kind of slide it along your area there, and then you kind of want to push it towards the other hole and then it'll spring in like that. I've done this a couple times. I'm getting better at it here, but it's in there now. So we're going to do it over here. What you do is you find your hole. Hopefully we're in frame here. Yes, we are. You find your hole and then you put your spring pin in it. You set it on top of the other arm of the watch. Then you want to take your tool and just spring load it and get it down onto the area in the watch, then you want to very carefully, with a combination of the tool and your fingers, move it out, except for like that one just kind of sprung away from me there. This will happen, and this is where you lose your spring pins. Like that. Just a minute, we'll get this installed. Alright, so I was just working on this off camera, and I did just spring that one spring pin. Now I have to go find it. Alright, you see right there that little silver bar? That is your spring pin. And it sprung from over there at the work table all the way down there. Alright, I just got this in here. Generally the second one is tougher. Now we move on to the installation of the band. Now, I used to have mine strung the opposite of what it is now, but basically what you want is for the buckle to be at 12 o'clock and the rest of the strap to be at 6 o'clock. So in order to do this, turn watch over, turn band over. Take band, we run through spring pin number 1, we pull, we run through spring pin numeral dos, and then we push it a little farther, go a little farther. You kind of just got to play with it and get it in the right spot for you. Make sure it's even, pull it tight, then you turn watch back over. You find your other little loopy-doo right here. You weave this through here like that. And you take this, it'll be a little bit kind of not flat or not the right direction for the first part. You just gotta kind of play with that and find the right spot. Then you put it on your wrist. I find it helps if you lean it against your body. That's why you're not seeing it right now. Then you just tighten your band down to your desired hole, and voila, you have installed your watch band. Now if there's a little extra like this one, I don't know, just try and tuck it in, or you can trim it off. You just have to play with the adjustment of it on the watch until you find what's right for you. I've had this one for I think 2 years and it's holding up well. I've had this one for close to a year. Yeah, just a year here in August, July, August. I have reviews on this strap and both of these watches. So if you want to go check out those, I've also reviewed this watch. Now you know how to install the band. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for this video. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, as always, like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, let us know your experience with NATO watch bands. And also, share this video if there's someone in your life that would find this helpful. Be sure to follow us on Instagram at AK's Outdoors. And that is pretty much it. Be sure to check out some of these other cool videos hanging around in this area, and we will see you on the next video.